How to delete all reposts at once on TikTok. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily delete all of your TikTok reposts at once. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your TikTok application. Once you have done that, tap on your profile, and on your profile you'll find the repost icon by tapping on this arrows, and you'll see all of your reposts right here. Now, if you want to remove the repost, you could just go ahead and tap on one of them, tap on this repost option, and then tap on reposted to remove repost. But this can be a hassle sometimes. So in this case, what you can do is go to your settings menu by tapping on the three lines at the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. And once you land on the privacy page, you're going to have to find your watch history. You can find it on the privacy section. And then if you scroll down, you'll see your watch list right here. Just go ahead and tap on the liked videos option. And then you can set this to only you by making it private. Then go back and tap on Activity Center. And right here, you should be able to see your watch history. So just tap on it. Now you can filter out your watch history, so all you have to do is tap and hold on the videos, or you can see the select button at the top right. Select all of these videos that you have reposted, and then you can delete them from your watch history. Tap on delete, then tap on delete again, and you should be good to go. But if this does not fix your problem, then what you can do is tap on the three lines, go to settings, and then report a problem. Now from here, scroll all the way to the bottom and submit a report. Just briefly tell them that you want all of your reposted videos to be deleted, and they'll respond you back within a few days, and you should be good to go. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.